Hello everyone! The aim of this video is to show you how to open Julia's REPL from within VS Code and how to open a new Jupyter notebook and use Julia within VS Code. So let's start with opening Julia's terminal, the REPL. So if you don't see it appearing in your VS Code, you may press the keyboard shortcut Command-Shift-P for Mac users or Control-Shift-P for Windows user. So let's press these keys, and remember, you end up in a search bar here. You can simply search for Start REPL and click on it. The result of your search will be saved, so next time you will be searching for it, it will be proposed automatically to you. So let's click there. You see that there's a window opening right there, and that's the REPL. And I will repeat what we did yesterday in the class. I will simply ask the REPL to print hello world, or ask Julia to print hello world from the REPL. So print ln. Now I enter the string, and we then press enter. We get the result, hello world. You see the blue dot here indicates that everything went fine. So that's it for the REPL. Now let's see how to open a Julia Jupyter notebook. So I will we'll open a new file, and you see in the list of files you can open, there is this option Jupyter notebook. So let's click on this. Here we are. You see now there is a file which is untitled 1.ipynb, and it has as a logo a little notebook. As usual, I would advise you to save this file in order to keep a trace of what you're doing in the course. So let's save it on somewhere on the computer. There we go. We have a new file here. It's called dada.ipnb, and this is now a notebook. You see several options here, and an important thing here is that if you have different languages installed on your computer, you may access different languages from within the notebook. And this is done by choosing a kernel. So here, since I have several languages, I can simply select if I want to run a Python from a Python kernel or from a Julia kernel. So here I will set Julia. Now, if everything went fine, you see Julia 1.9.0 appearing here. And just below, we have the first code cell. So we're going to do the same action as before. We're going to print ln hello world. And to run the code cell, we simply press play. The result is printed right below the cell. Remember, if you want to add code cells, you can simply press plus code here or there. We will use this second cell to print hello world. And there you go. Now we have two code cells that both return a result each. So that's it for this video. I hope you managed to repeat this. So of course, opening the REPL, Control-Shift-P, start REPL, and opening a notebook is simply File, New File, and select the file type. That's it for today. Thanks a lot.